Yo YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get free Nintendo gift card codes in 2025. You can get free Nintendo eShop codes that basically when you redeem it is going to supply your Nintendo Switch account a free balance to spend on anything in the eShop. So let's get into the tutorial. You can see you need to use your mobile phone for this. I've actually discovered a method to do this, guys, using just your internet on your phone. And you need to head on over to this website, guys, www.robotcoupons.com. So very important you spell it correctly, Robot Coupons. This is a brand new 2025 coupon website that I discovered. They have some of the latest games on here. They have codes for some of your favorite stores. So you need to go to the search bar here and just search for Nintendo. Now there are a bunch of different Nintendo Switch games, but you need to find this Nintendo gift cards and codes page, guys. So this is the page you need to navigate your way to on Robot Coupons. Now you can see these codes are limited in number, but there is a ton of them and you can get a few different options here, but we're interested in the one at the top that is a $100 free Nintendo eShop gift card code. So when you tap on show coupon, you're going to see this and you need to unlock your full code. As I mentioned, these are limited and of course they're pretty desirable considering how much money this is going to give you in the eShop. So you need to unlock your personal code. Now, the entire process of unlocking your code only takes a few minutes, so it's very important you follow the instructions you see on the next screen. So this is the code unlocker, guys, and it says here, complete 2 of the 3 tasks below to unlock your eShop code. Follow the instructions below each app. So I have a list of different tasks here. These are usually things like mobile games. Alternatively, you may see like surveys. They're all going to be completely free, and you just need to select 2 of them and follow the instructions to complete them. So this one says download and install the app and complete Kingdom 4. So this is like a mobile game. So if you wanted to do this one, you'd simply click on it and it will take you to the App Store where you'd have to download the game and complete level 4. So yeah, you just have to basically complete any 2 tasks that you see on this screen. And once you've done that, you just simply return and your code will be revealed and fully unlocked. Obviously, I just skipped forward, but yeah, that is how to do it, guys. And once you have your code, you enter it into the eShop and it's going to supply you with $100 balance for completely free. So just go to Robot Coupons and navigate your way to this Nintendo page, guys, and then go ahead, unlock your code. Make sure you do fully complete the code unlocking process and yeah, enjoy your free Nintendo gift cards. Peace out.